Come and say yeah. Come and say yeah.
So far away.
Come and say yeah. Come and say yeah. Come and say Africa so far. Why does it have to be away? Africa so far away. We must have reached to somewhere. Come and say yeah. Come and say yeah. Come and say yeah. Come and say yeah. Come and say Africa so far away. Why does it have to be this way? Africa so far away. We must have reached this someday. Come make we plan the way. Africa for the African shape and true love and unity. The world is the way. Africa so far away. Why does it have to be away? Africa so far away. We must have reached this we got too far away. We not go backwards. Africa for the Africans on the way. Yeah. So we do it, you know. This is the journey of Iman lifetime. And I know it's a journey of each person's lifetime.
That's right.
And Brother Bomani, we're so glad to be here on your special day, because it coming like say all the forces come together at one time. All the great African leaders, Kwame Nkrumah, Marcus Garvey, the UNIA, all of we as black people. Remember, all of us is part of the solution.
Yes.
We all fit in the puzzle of Africa. It doesn't matter what we're doing. As long as it's something positive and then we're going to lift up us as African and African people, it fit in the part of the plan. And that's how we got to look at things. We got to look at things that on each level that each one of us is working on. Bomani's working on Africa tours and reinvestment and business opportunities in Africa, and he's reaching to the top of his profession.
Yes.
And each one of us have to reach to the top of whatever the works we're doing. My job as the engineer is to pull us together and make that puzzle, build that body. So make sure that everybody give me your business card or flyer, so I can push you in the collective black people movement.
That's what he do.
The collective African people movement. My job is to gather African people's skills, talents, and intelligence. And now I'm here in Africa, I'm trying to figure out what is the best way to gather African people's skills, talents, and intelligence. I went to the arts festival place yesterday, and I saw every single African had a tool in their hand and was doing something to create, whether bags, carving, drums, you name it. We as African people, we're so gifted and talented. And when I see the final work, I'm saying, a machine didn't make that? Is a human make that?
Teacher.
Yes, ma'am. So we give thanks and praise every time. Do you all want one more song?
Yeah, you're very generous in your offering.